What's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a new tool, way better than MIDJOURNEY AI, because this tool creates 3D images, and it's free. Can't beat no freemium, but it creates 3D images and in a panoramic view, so you can like kind of rotate around, and it's not just a 2D image where you can only see what in a two-dimensional view. This is 3D, so you can kind of scroll around and you can it's panoramic. So we're gonna dive into it. All right, so as you can see, the tool is called Skybox, and it's made by Blockade Labs, and it basically creates 3D images that you can kind of scroll. And so as you can see, it has its own text prompts you can use to create images on the actual website, or you can actually upload. But I've been testing it out, and I see it doesn't really do a good job yet of taking a 2D image that you upload and putting it into a properly defined or good looking 3D image. So we're gonna give them a couple of months to keep working on it, and of course they're gonna keep updating, and hopefully it gets to a point where it's actually usable, because you can't really it's not really good looking with the upload. But it has its own text prompts, and it's free, like I said before, so you gotta pay nothing. And let's try it out. So let's say a valley of a red sand desert with stars in the sky. All right, so let's see. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think you can use this tool for. I personally think when it can output like high quality images, I can see myself using it for like website applications. Say for example you want to create a very interactive and responsive website, and you want to showcase something. Maybe you have a product that you're selling and you want to kind of showcase your product in a 3D world in an artistic way. You can just take the photo and you can upload it when it gets better, of course, not now. And you can upload it and use that to kind of show your potential buyers what it is about. So that's one implication that I can see. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all could use this for. And as you can see, this is the image it created. Now on the sky, you can see it kind of has this is supposed to be a desert, but I think it's probably using the stable diffusion in a sense. I don't know yet, but I'm probably guessing that's what it's doing. Maybe not, I don't know. But as you can see, it's a 3D image. You can see the galaxies and stuff in the sky, and this is probably where the two images meet, as you can see. So yeah, it's a desert, pretty good too. And these are the different styles you can use if you want an anime art style, fantasy landscape. Let's try fantasy landscape. And as you can see, this is from the fantasy landscape. Ooh, I like this. Kind of has like another planet in the horizon. It's just some Earth or something. And as you can see, you can use it too. You can use this to create like wallpapers and those type of images. And it's pretty impressive, I'll say. Let's try one more. And of course we can try the like I said, I already tried it, but y'all can see for yourself what it can create. So this is when you upload an image. Well, it's not terribly bad actually. So as you can see, I think what it does is it takes the images and it kind of wraps it around. Yeah, it kind of wraps it around an axis or something. But this is amazing though. This is impressive. Let's upload another image and see. I've been testing with different images with different like aspect ratios and stuff, and the bigger aspect ratios don't really do well. This is actually the first image I've seen that looks good. So let's try this one. And you can see if the image is too short, it kind of just stretches it out. And if it's too long, it does the same thing. So, but yeah, this is when you upload images. You can see what it's doing is literally wrapping the image around like an axis or something. Let's try this one. See? Still impressive, but let's try one more and then let's see. A house in the middle of nowhere with neon lights. And let's go from fantasy to scenic. Let's try this style. Oh wow. And as you can see, this is the image it creates when I put a house in the middle of nowhere. I thought it was going to give me from my outside view, but we did it in the inside. Like I said, is being used also by game developers as well. People who want to create 3D games. I mean, VR games. This is a very good tool you can use to kind of develop a concept, of how things might look, from a 3D perspective, and then go from there. So this is another implication that I see with this tool. I don't know how many other tools are out there that do 3D, text image 3D. And if y'all know any, y'all type that out in the comments. And also, I was gonna inform you on something. If you want, I could create a website where I could add all of these AI tools. Just so it's easier for y'all to go out and browse and see the different types of AI tools, both free and premium tools that are out there that y'all might need. If you're a business person, you're an entrepreneur, or you're just an artistic person looking to try out different tools to help you out in your endeavor, y'all let me know in the comments, and I definitely would do it, to make your lives easier. So y'all let me know. But that's it for this video. Tell me why YouTube, I go on my YouTube stats and I'm checking, and I find out that a lot of y'all are watching my YouTube and subscribe. Why? Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why?
I like if y'all could really, help your boy out and, subscribe and, hit that button, like and share and comment. It goes a long way.